I remember, and I think it was around 2018, when I was at a book signing in Barnes and Noble Library, and an associate, a friend, came to my book signing, and I was signing books. And this person actually sat behind the desk where I was signing books and asked me to show them how to write their own book right there in the bookstore while I was at my own book signing. I don't mind helping. I will tell anybody that I can. That's why I hold these workshops, free writing workshops at libraries up and down the East Coast. Not up and down the East Coast, but I provide free writing workshops, and I had a channel years ago on Facebook, Write Your Book This Year, and a couple years ago I changed it to Write Your Book This Month because of technology, and the process has changed so much. But what I was saying that to say, it's more important to be interested than to seem interesting. But at that particular book signing, this associate was more interested in writing their own book than finding the book I was there promoting at Barnes and Noble interesting. And that's fine, that's human nature, no judgment. Saying that to say, after that encounter, I made sure I wrote Write Your Book This Year, which is a digital book. I think we made some paperback copies just for us to tour with, but there are some tips on that channel still on Facebook or on YouTube, Dr. Judi Online YouTube Dr. Judi Online, Judi. But that's why I'm doing this, because I want to be, God blessed me to be a blessing. That's why I didn't mind stopping in the middle of Barnes and Noble, even though that wasn't on the agenda, to help her write her book or help them write their book. So you get what I'm saying. I want you to be a blessing. You might have a book inside of you that can change the destiny of someone's life, that might make someone laugh, that might give someone confidence, that might give someone hope. The psalmist said, I was glad when I was afflicted, because that's when I learned your decrees. So sometime in our afflictions, we learn God's decrees and get closer to God so we can be a blessing to others. And Jesus said, in this world you will have trouble, but take heart, because I have overcome the world. And your trouble might help someone else. So if there's a book inside of you, like this video, subscribe, and share with someone else who wants to write a book. And if you have questions, put them in the comments. God bless you, and happy writing.